Many gardeners start wrapping up their work as the last month of summer arrives, believing the main planting season is long behind them. But August is not the end of the gardening season at all. In fact, it is the absolute best time to plant many gorgeous perennials. There is a persistent myth that flowers should only be planted in the spring. However, in spring, plants waste a huge amount of energy trying to build up green foliage, whereas bushes planted in late summer direct all their resources straight into root development. By planting the right perennials right now, you will enjoy a vibrant, lushly blooming yard next season without having to fuss over delicate seedlings every spring. Today, I am going to show you 11 stunning perennial flowers that are best planted in August. Plant them once and you will enjoy a beautiful garden for years to come. Why is the last month of summer considered such a golden window for gardeners? It all comes down to plant biology and climate conditions. In August, the soil is deeply warmed from the hot summer months, which triggers the rapid formation of new feeder roots. The blistering summer heat is starting to fade, replaced by cooler nights and natural autumn rains that help plants establish themselves without constant monitoring with a watering can. Before the first hard frosts arrive, your new plants have 6 to 8 weeks, more than enough time to build a strong root system and set buds for the following year. Come spring, these plants wake up much earlier than their spring-planted counterparts and immediately burst into rapid growth without wasting time adapting to the soil. Now let us look at the exact perennials that deliver the best results when planted in August. Starting off our list at number 11 is the magnificent Daylily. This plant stuns with its incredible variety of shapes and shades, ranging from soft creams to deep velvety maroons. Daylilies bloom from midsummer onward, decorating the garden with large, bright blossoms. August is the ideal time to plant them because the bushes enter a relative period of rest after their main flowering wave, making them easy to divide and transplant. Daylilies prefer full sun or light shade and are completely unpicky about soil. Gardeners love them for their bulletproof nature. Even a beginner can grow them successfully, and a single plant can bloom luxuriously in the same spot for up to 10 years. In 10th place is Echinacea, a striking perennial with large daisy-like flower heads featuring prominent cone-shaped centers. Echinacea blooms from midsummer right up until the first autumn frosts, attracting butterflies and beneficial pollinators to your garden. Planting in August allows Echinacea to root deeply in warm soil and build up energy for winter. It loves open, sunny spots and moderately moist soil. Gardeners value Echinacea not only for its beauty and low-maintenance nature, but also for its medicinal properties and its ability to handle dry spells with ease. Taking the 9th spot is a classic favorite loved by generations, garden phlox. Its lush, fragrant clusters of blossoms paint the garden in vibrant colors from midsummer through early autumn. Planting or dividing phlox in August is the best choice because the root systems get a firm grip on the soil before the cold sets in, producing thick, healthy stems in spring. Phlox prefers fertile, moisture-retentive soil and spots with dappled sunlight, where its colorful petals will not fade in the intense sun. Gardeners adore phlox for its unforgettable sweet fragrance that fills the evening air. Up next is a plant that is virtually impossible to kill, even for a complete beginner. At number 8, we have the Hosta, the undisputed queen of the shade garden. The main attraction of the Hosta is its luxurious textured foliage, which ranges from blue-green and emerald to golden and variegated. It blooms in late summer with delicate bell-shaped flowers on tall stems. Dividing and planting hostas in August is completely smooth and stress-free for the plant. Hostas love shady, moist areas and rich soil. Gardeners appreciate them for creating lush ground cover, choking out weeds, and maintaining a neat look until the first freeze. In 7th place is Astilbe. This plant is instantly recognizable by its feathery, plume-like flower spikes that look like colorful clouds. Astilbe blooms from July through August, bringing life to dark corners of the yard. August is the optimal time for planting because the cool weather keeps its delicate root system from drying out. Astilbe loves partial shade and moist, humus-rich soil. Gardeners love combining it with hostas to turn shady garden beds into a fairy tale. Sitting at number 6 is Black-Eyed Susan, or Rudbeckia, the golden sunshine of the autumn garden. Its bright yellow petals and dark brown centers bloom from late July straight through late autumn. An August planting gives Rudbeckia plenty of time to establish its leaf rosette and deep roots before winter. It is extremely tough, loves full sun, tolerates temporary droughts, and grows in almost any garden soil. Gardeners love Rudbeckia for its joyful pop of color and incredibly generous blooms. The next perennial on our list can bloom and beautify your garden for decades without any extra hassle. Taking the 5th spot is meadow sage, or Salvia. This perennial features long, spiky clusters of deep purple or blue flowers. Salvia blooms from June to August, and if you cut back the faded stems, it rewards you with a second wave of blooms in autumn. Planting in August guarantees a bushy, vibrant plant come spring. Salvia craves full sun and light, well-draining soil, and absolutely hates sitting in water. It is prized for its aromatic foliage, drought tolerance, and sleek look in modern garden designs. Number 4 on our list is coral bells, or Heuchera. This perennial is grown for its incredible palette of decorative leaves, ranging from deep burgundy and purple to amber and caramel. It produces tiny, delicate bellflowers in summer. Late summer is the traditional time for dividing and planting Heuchera, as its woody rootstock grows upward and requires regular deepening. It prefers dappled shade and light, well-drained soil. Gardeners adore Heuchera because its colorful leaves stay vibrant even under winter snow. In 3rd place is the majestic Peony, the true royalty of the summer garden. Its massive, double, insanely fragrant flowers open in early summer. Planting and dividing peonies should strictly be done from late August into September. This is the golden rule of peony care. A peony planted in spring often struggles and fails to bloom, whereas an August-planted peony builds essential feeder roots before the ground freezes. Peonies love full sun, deep soil preparation, and generous watering at planting time. A single plant can live in the same spot for 20 to 30 years, growing into a massive flowering bush. Taking the 2nd spot is stonecrop, or Sedum. This succulent perennial features fleshy leaves and dense, flat flower heads that open in August and hold their color until the snow falls. August planting works exceptionally well for Sedum thanks to its succulent nature. It does not suffer from moisture loss during transplanting. Sedum loves the brightest sun and lean, sandy soil. It is prized for being virtually indestructible and for bringing color to the garden when most other flowers have finished for the season. The final flower on our list is one that many gardeners overlook, assuming it is too delicate for late summer planting. And taking our number 1 spot is elegant lavender. Its aromatic purple spikes immediately bring romantic French landscapes to mind. Lavender blooms in midsummer, filling the air with essential oils. Planting container-grown lavender in August allows it to root in warm soil, significantly boosting its winter hardiness. Lavender requires maximum sunlight and lean, alkaline, sharply draining soil with zero standing water. Gardeners love it for its fragrant properties, beautiful scent, and timeless charm. However, for all 11 of these perennials to settle in successfully and bloom next spring, you must avoid the 5 biggest mistakes gardeners make during late summer planting. First, planting too deep. This is especially fatal for peonies and Heuchera, where burying the growing crowns leads to rot or a lack of flowers. Second, picking the wrong location, such as putting sun lovers in shade or shade lovers in scorching sun. Third, failing to water thoroughly right after planting. Even if the topsoil looks moist, you need to soak the planting hole all the way down to the roots. Fourth, planting in heavy, unamended clay without adding sand or drainage, which rots the roots over winter. And fifth, skipping mulch. A layer of organic mulch in August protects warm soil from drying out, and in late autumn it shields fresh roots from early freezes. How can you get the absolute fullest, longest blooms from these perennials next season? The secret comes down to a few basic habits. Always match the plant to its ideal light requirements. Divide overgrown clumps every 4 to 5 years to keep them youthful. Be sure to deadhead spent flowers promptly. This encourages new buds and keeps the plant from wasting energy on seed production. Mix well-rotted compost into the planting hole, but skip raw manure and high nitrogen fertilizers late in the season, or you will end up with lush leaves that freeze over winter instead of flowers. Top the soil around your plants with a 1 to 2 inch layer of mulch. Even this minimal care will dramatically boost the size and length of your bloom season. To wrap things up, remember, August is not a time to put your tools away. It is a unique window to build the foundation of a stunning garden for years to come. By planting these perennials now, you save yourself from hectic spring chores and set yourself up to enjoy gorgeous blooms from early spring to late autumn. Make the most of the warm days remaining this month and give your yard an upgrade. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments which of these perennials are already growing in your garden and which ones you plan to plant this August. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you never miss practical gardening tips. Happy planting, and I will see you in the next video.